Welcome to the next part of video. Question number 165. Which of the following statement is correct in relation to pregnant women with epilepsy? Seizure frequency of increase in approximately 70% of women. Question number 166. All the cause of intrauterine growth radiation except gestational diabetes. Question number 167. In case of dysgerminoma of ovary, one of the following tumors makers is likely to be rise serum HCG. Use of the following vaccination absolute contraindicated in pregnancy. You can use your own direction. Question number 169. The most common cause of secondary amenorrhea in India is endometrial tuberculosis. Then question number 170. The consequences of RH incompatibility are not serious during first pregnancy because antibody titer is very low during primary immune response. Then question number 171. 21-year-old boy present with the complaint of primary amenorrhea. Her height is 153 centimeter, weight 51 kg. She has well developed breast and she has no pubic and axillary hair and no hirsutism. Which of the following is most probable diagnosis? Complete androgen insensitive syndromes. And question number 173. One of the following conditions are risk factor of urinary tract infection in pregnancy except hypertension. Next question is which of the following perinatal infection has highest risk of fatal infection is the first trimester rubella. Question number 175. All of the following are ultrasonography fetal growth parameter except transcerebellar diameter. Next question is 176. In case of tuator labor which has delivered in cesarean section complaints of cyclic passage of menstrual blood urine, which most likely to site of fistula is viscous uterine. Then question number 177. Which of the following is the investigation of choice in pregnant lady at 18 week of pregnant with the past history of delivering a baby with Down syndromes? Any centesis. Question number 170 is the most appropriate method to collecting urine of culture in case of vasovaginal fistula is Follis catheter. Question number 179. Which of the following is most likely to diagnose in 27-year-old obese woman presenting with oligomenorrhea, infertility, and hirsutism? Is polycystic ovary. Then question number 180. Which of the following test is the most sensitive? Which part of detection of iron depletion or in pregnancy? Serum ferritin. A 55-year-old lady presenting to outpatient department with the postmenopausal bleeding for 3 months has 1:1 nodule on the anterior lip of cervix. The most appropriate investigation is done subsequently is punch biopsy. Then question number 182. A primary gravida at the 37 week of gestation report of labor room with the center placenta previa with the heavy bleeding per vaginum. The fetal heart rate is normal at the time of examination. The best management option for her is cesarean section. All of the following know the risk factor of development of endometrial carcinoma except early menopause. Laparotomy performed in the case of ovarian tumor revealed unilateral ovarian tumor with the acids positive for malignant cell and positive pelvic lymph node. All of the structure work from disease. What is the stage of the disease? Stage third C. Then question number 185, pure gonadal dysgenesis will be diagnosed in the presence of bilateral streak gonads. Question number 186, all of the following may be observed in normal pregnancy except increase in blood viscosity. Pyometry is a complication associated with all of the following conditions except carcinoma of the vulva. A hypersensitive pregnant woman at 34 weeks with a history of pain in abdomen, bleeding per vaginum, and loss of fetal movement on examination of uterus contracted with the increased uterine tone. Fetal heart sound is most likely to diagnose abruptio placentae. Question number 189. The most common cause of first trimester abortion is chromosomal abnormalities. All of the following mechanism the action of emergency contraception except interrupting an early pregnancy. Question number 191. A 20-year-old gives history to sharp pain in lower abdomen 2 to 3 days every month, approximately 2 weeks before the mens. The most probable etiology of her pain is metal ischemia. Question number 192. A 54-year-old woman has recurrent urine retention after the hysterectomy done for a large fibroid. The most likely cause is injury of hypogastric plexus. Question number 193. A 45-year-old female has bilateral ovarian mass acids of mental case taking on CT scan. There is the high possibility that patient is having malignant epithelial ovarian tumor. 194. Complete failure of Mulliner duct fusion with the result in uterus diaphysis. Next question is the commonest cause of female pseudohermaphroditism is congenital adrenal hyperplasia. Question number 196. Basanti Devi, 45-year-old woman, present is hot flush. Stop menstruation. Hot flush can be revealed. The administration of the following agent is ethylene estradiol. 25-year-old infertility male underwent semen analysis. The results show sperm count is 15 million per ml, pH is 75, volume is 2 ml. On coagulation is seen morphology is so 60% normal and 60% motile sperm. Most likely diagnosis to oligospermia. Then question number 198. A 28-year-old lady is suspected to have polycystic ovarian disease. Sample of testing LH and FSH are the best taken which on the which days of menstrual cycle 18 से 10. Then next question number 199. Kamala, 21-year-old girl present with the history of hirsutism and amenorrhea, change in voice to establish diagnosis. You would be like to proceed which of the following test in blood? Testosterone. Question number 200. A 35-year-old mother of two children suffering from amenorrhea last 12 months sees the history failure of lactation following second delivery but returned to asymptomatic thereafter. The X-ray empty cell most likely diagnosis is Sheehan syndrome. Then 201. A 35-year-old female patient, child 5 to 6 years, in the history of amenorrhea and galactorrhea, blood examination reveal increased prolactin and the CT of the head likely to reveal prolactoma. The most common genital prolapse is cystocelic. A 30-year-old lady examination infertility of hysterosplanchography reveal bead-like fallopian tube and curving of ampulla. Most likely cause is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Next question is 204. For the following may be predisposed of endometrial CA except oral contraceptive.